Good morning, children. Today, let us start a beautiful poem that is Palanquin Bearer. This poem was written by Sarojini Naidu. She was well known as the Nightingale of India, and she was also a famous English poetess. Some of her major contributions are The Broken Wing, The Bird of Time, The Golden Threshold, etc. And she was a political activist and played an active role in the freedom movement, and she was the first woman to become the governor of an Indian state after independence. So here Sarojini Naidu has written a beautiful poem that is Palanquin Bearer. What is meant by palanquin? Palanquin means consisting of a large box carried on two horizontal poles by 4 or 6 bearers. Bearers means a person that carries something. Children, have you observed in the present day, after marriage, brides are taken in a decorated car? But in ancient days, the royal brides are carried on a palanquin to their husband's house. So, related about this here, this poem is given in a first paragraph. Lightly, oh, lightly we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. According to this paragraph, here the bearers carrying bride journey from her parents' house to husband's house with singing this song. According to the palanquin bearers, the bride is so light that it feels like the princess is swaying. Swaying means moving from one side to other, like a flower sways in the wind. And she is sitting in the palanquin and is hearing their song by thinking about her future after marriage. And they say that she is like the bird that skims on the foam of a stream, which means that a bird passes a stream skipping through the foam. Foam means small bubbles of the stream, and the bride resembles of that bird because she is so delicate to carry. But bride carries a mixed feeling also. She is leaving her parents behind and moving on to a new phase of her life. Second para. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our songs. Means here the bearers with gaily means with happily carrying the bride like a pearl on a string because she is precious and delicate like a jewel. In the dew means condensed drops of water of their song, and the bride is hanging like a star as a ray of light is seen on the top of a tide. Tide means rising and falling of the sea. Like this, here bearers are expressing their feeling with carrying bride. Next paragraph. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Means here the bride feeling sadness because of leaving her parents and own family. The bearers are carrying the bride as if she is dew or a tree drops. They are delighted to carry the bride and could not feel her weight because she is very tender. Overall, in this poem, the poetess express about the culture and community that we all following in different vocations and festivals, such as marriage. In marriage, how the bride is separating from her family, but she is happily moved from her own place to new place because she is going to start a new relationship with the love of her family. So that's all in this poem.